You join me today standing on what is arguably the most spectacular piece of property in the entirety of Vail Valley. With an over 10,000 square foot main house, 2,000 square foot guest house, a car barn, sitting on 41 acres with over 1,000 feet of Lake Creek frontage, this is truly a spectacular estate. Come on inside and I'll explain why.
If I had picked you up in Vail, put a blindfold on you, took you to Eagle Airport, flew you around for about an hour, hour and a half, landed, blindfolded still, walked right through the house to the backyard of it, and showed you this, you wouldn't know whether you're in Yellowstone or Montana or where you'd be, or Colorado in its most beautiful state. I am very fortunate to have my good friend, Bill Ray, who has been in the Valley as long as I have, and he's a curator of art.
Pyle Ranch was created to be kind of an iconic Molesworth-inspired lodge. It's filled with First Nations artifacts, like this second phase chief's blanket from the 1860s.
One of the things we talk about a lot in the mountains of Colorado is our resorts. Ski areas in the wintertime, golf courses in the summertime. When you're standing on the Pyle Ranch, you're standing on a resort in and of itself. When you decide you want to experience the true Mountain West for yourselves, you know where to find us.